Hello and welcome. Whether you're a landlord or a property manager in Bengaluru, maintaining a safe and healthy rental environment is essential for your property's value and your tenants' well-being. One of the most common and overlooked threats to rental properties is mold and moisture. If not addressed promptly, these issues can lead to serious structural damage, unhappy tenants, and even legal troubles. In this video, we'll walk you through 10 expert strategies to identify, prevent, and resolve mold and moisture problems in rental properties. Let's get started. 1. Know what causes mold and moisture. The first step to tackling mold is understanding its root causes. Mold thrives in humid, damp conditions, particularly where air circulation is poor. Leaks from pipes, roofs, or appliances, as well as condensation on windows and walls, can quickly lead to mold formation. Areas like bathrooms, kitchens, and basements are especially vulnerable. Even something as simple as placing a wet towel near a wall can create the right conditions. Mold can begin to grow within 24 or 48 hours. So early detection is key to avoiding expensive repairs. 2. Schedule routine property inspections. You can't fix what you don't detect. Conducting thorough inspections at least twice a year is crucial for mold and moisture control in rental homes. Focus on high-risk zones like bathrooms, attics, and utility areas. Look for signs such as peeling paint, warped wood, musty smells, and water stains. Keep an eye on plumbing connections, washing machines, water heaters, and air conditioning units. Timely inspections help you catch small issues before they snowball into bigger, costlier problems. 3. Guide tenants on mold prevention. Tenant awareness plays a huge role in preventing mold. Educate your tenants from day one by sharing simple mold prevention tips. This could be a welcome flyer or a brief guide. Encourage the use of exhaust fans when cooking or bathing, airing out rooms, and reporting leaks or damp patches immediately. Let tenants know not to block ventilation grills or leave wet laundry piled up. When tenants are well informed, they become active partners in maintaining a healthy living space. For address leaks without delay, leaking taps, pipes, or roofs, no matter how minor, must be fixed immediately. A small leak can produce enough moisture to encourage mold growth behind walls or under floors. Set up a streamlined process for tenants to report maintenance issues, such as through a digital portal or dedicated helpline. Build relationships with reliable contractors so repairs can be addressed swiftly. Prompt action not only prevents property damage, but also reassures tenants of your proactive management. 5. Enhance ventilation across the property. Poor ventilation is a leading contributor to indoor dampness. Ensure all bathrooms have working exhaust fans and that kitchens are fitted with proper ventilation systems. In humid climates like Bengaluru, consider using dehumidifiers or air purifiers to reduce excess moisture. Encourage tenants to open windows when possible and ensure ceiling fans are functional to improve airflow. Good ventilation not only prevents mold, but also makes living spaces more comfortable. 6. Use mold-resistant materials during upgrades when renovating or refurbishing a rental unit. Opt for materials that resist mold. Choose mold-resistant drywall, paint, and insulation, especially in high-moisture areas. Replace carpeted floors in bathrooms or kitchens with tile or vinyl, which are easy to clean and less likely to trap moisture. Although these materials may come at a slightly higher cost, they significantly reduce the risk of future mold-related repairs and complaints. 7. Monitor and control humidity levels. Maintaining indoor humidity between 30% and 50% is ideal. Anything above this range creates a breeding ground for mold. Use affordable hygrometers to monitor humidity inside the property, particularly in areas with poor air circulation. If readings consistently show high humidity, investigate the underlying causes. This could be due to inadequate ventilation, malfunctioning HVAC systems, or water seepage through walls. Keeping humidity under control is one of the most effective mold prevention strategies. 8. Take immediate action on mold complaints. When a tenant reports mold, act without delay. Visit the site to assess the extent of the issue. Small patches on tiles may be manageable with proper cleaning, but mold on drywall, wood, or insulation could require professional help. Don't ignore reports or delay responses. This not only worsens the damage, but also exposes you to potential legal risks. Always keep records of the report your inspection, and any action taken to stay compliant and accountable. 9. Hire certified mold remediation experts. For serious mold issues, especially those covering areas larger than 10 square feet or affecting HVAC systems and internal structures, it's best to hire certified mold remediation professionals. These experts can accurately identify mold types, remove infected materials safely, and apply treatments to prevent recurrence. Professional remediation safeguards both the property and your tenant's health and helps you stay in line with housing regulations. 10. Maintain documentation for compliance and legal protection. Every step you take to address mold and moisture, inspections, tenant communications, repair receipts, and remediation reports should be documented. Having a clear paper trail demonstrates your commitment to maintaining a safe rental environment and shields you from liability. If a tenant lodges a complaint or legal claim, your documentation can prove that you responded promptly and responsibly. Bonus tip: add mold clauses to your lease agreement. Include a mold and moisture clause in your rental agreement. This section should clearly define the responsibilities of both landlord and tenant regarding moisture control. Specify tenant duties like using fans, promptly reporting leaks, and not interfering with installed ventilation. Landlords should commit to timely repairs and inspections. This not only sets expectations, but also reinforces legal protection for both parties. At SANGAU, we understand that managing rental properties in Bengaluru involves far more than just collecting rent. Our full-service property management solutions are designed to address issues like mold and moisture before they escalate. From regular inspections and digital maintenance reporting to partnerships with qualified vendors, SANGAU ensures your property stays well-maintained and tenant-ready. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more expert tips on property management. Are you a landlord looking for a reliable partner in Bengaluru? Contact SANGAU today. We take care of your property so you can focus on your returns.